morning everyone. At the outset, let me first welcome you all on behalf of the research fraternity of AUR and on behalf of the MIT Institute of Biotechnology in both my capacity as Dean Research and the Director of the MIT Institute of Biotechnology. Well, as you are aware, this day we are celebrating the National Science Day, which is essentially to mark the discovery of Raman effect by the great scientist, great Indian physicist, Sir C.V. Raman, who eventually, went on to receive the Nobel Prize in 1930. The theme of this year's National Science Day happens to be the impact of SGI, education, skills and work. I must share with you that at MIT University Rajasthan, we are actually realizing this theme already for past several decades. For instance, in biotechnology, we are offering state-of-the-art programs at both undergraduate and postgraduate level, and this is suitably backed up by a highly accomplished faculty of 28, who are 28 in number, and who are in fact carrying out research in the thrust areas in biotechnology, including genetic engineering, food technology, bioinformatics, and molecular biology. The faculty has been able to attract a very good amount of government funding, and we have already 9 the R&D projects which have been completed, and 8 are currently ongoing projects. In fact, the research is being carried from laboratory to field, and that is reflected by already 13 patents that have been filed, 2 have been granted. We have close to some 300 research publications, out of which in 2020 we published 5 research papers in Lancet and 2 in Nature Medicine. Now that is some kind of very, very rare achievement. The placement track record of our students is again excellent. They are able to get recruited in top-notch biotech firms all over India as well as abroad. So let us then celebrate this National Science Day with great enthusiasm on the theme as has been for this year. Thank you.